Welcome everyone to the next video, and today we're going to check how we can execute our prepared statement. Now we'll see we've already queried our database. We now know how to query, and we've already checked if the passwords are not correct. Next is to check if there are no more errors and then execute our statement. So if count variable errors is equals 0. So if we do not have any more errors in our form, we should then prepare the statement. Next is to convert our password into a machine readable MD5 or a hashed password. Now the crypting technique we use is the password bcrypt. Most people tend to use MD5 because it's much more readable, but I prefer to use password bcrypt because password bcrypt contains more strings of hashed characters. Now I will show you in a bit what it means. Now variable ncry, which is our encrypt password, we're going to call it anc encrypt is equals to password hash variable password and password bcrypt. You can see the formula here used. We are going to hash our password and we are going to hash which password, meaning the password user entered, and we are going to use the password bcrypt formula. Now we have seen that if the count, we are only going to execute this statement if the count of errors in the form is equal 0. Now let us bind everything and insert and execute our statement. Now binding and then execute. My SQLi query is equal to my SQLi query. It will be probably best to declare a variable first. Variable insert is equals, so we know if the data went in or not. So variable insert is equals to my SQLi query, of course our connection string, and then this time our SQL statement. Insert into users. Now the values we are going to insert: first name. These are the columns inside our users table: first name, last name, email, password. Now you can see here password is a keyword in PHP, so it might come blue. It might appear as a blue string here, so just don't pay much attention to it. And now let's pass in our values. I use the capital letters, and then our single quotes variable for the values. Variable, the first value was fname, so fname, then comma, another single quote, lname. Now you arrange this according to how you arrange it here. First name comes before last name, so first name before last name. So before email, variable email, comma, then double strings, single strings, quotes again, then variable. This time we are not passing variable password, we are passing the encrypted password, which is encrypt, which is encrypt. Variable encrypt encrypts. Now this is our SQL statement. We have prepared the statement and we have just executed it. Now if variable insert, meaning if it actually inserted, now let us give us a response that yes, it works. So let us say let's just log it and say echo. It should just display it, echo congratulations, you have been registered successfully. Now, if it worked, you should say congratulations, you have been registered successfully. Now, else, you should say bad configuration. Bad configuration. Now save that up, and that is that for that. We just prepared, we queried the database, we executed our statement. What next? We'll head over now to our PHPMyAdmin and create our database. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.